Hey John, how you doing? My name's Joe with Metro Design, and today I'm going to show you three things Google looks for when ranking a website, and the three things that you need for your website when you start to build it out. So the first thing, content is king. Google loves content. They could care less how the website looks, as long as you have a bunch of words on it and it's easy for your customers to navigate. So first, content on the home page. Google likes to see between 1,500 and 2,000. On your back pages, between 500 and 700. This is the #1 competitor in Philadelphia. He's sitting at, for his home page, he was sitting out about a little over 600. You can see it's a pretty good website. I mean, it looks nice to the eyes, but to Google, it's missing a lot of content, and content is king, so very important. As far as his back pages, they hit the mark between the 500 and 700. They're in about 600. So he did a good job there, but definitely needs some work on his homepage. The homepage is what's gonna rank on Google. So obviously need more content. If we threw in that 1,500 mark that we're trying to reach, you could easily outrank him, and that way build out your website to all the services you offer, and then 700 words on your back pages, you could beat him out with content. So next I want to talk to you about is going to be citations. Citations are your business name, address, and phone number on different websites. The more you have, the easier it is for Google to rank you in the Google Map listings. As you can see, this guy's different, has a different name. This is the #1 in the Google Map listing. The reason he's here, he has a good Google My Business page built out, and he has the most citations. I use Whitespark. You can type in his information like I did, and then you can go through and get all the ones that he has, get you up to 20. But with the citations and the backlinks, we'll talk about that later. But with citations, you don't want to just sit at 20. You don't want to be level with him. You want to pile on as many as possible, because once he finds out he's not #1 anymore, obviously he's going to go out there, hire an expert to go get more citations. So what we do is we just pile them on as fast as possible. 100, 150, whatever. So once he realizes he's not #1, he does his research. He's going to find, it's going to be pretty difficult to come back and beat us. So that citation's pretty straightforward. Next, backlinks. This is important. This brings you power to your website. The more backlinks you have, Google thinks you're more popular, so they push you to the top. Backlinks are different websites that have a link going back to your website. So, as you can see, 202 websites have 2.6 thousand backlinks going back to this guy's website. So this guy's huge. He's getting a lot of power. The thing with backlinks you want to keep in mind is you want more quality over quantity when it comes to backlinks. You can go out and get 20 bad backlinks, but if we go get 10 quality backlinks, it's going to beat your 20 every time. So that's the thing to keep in mind with backlinks. We could talk about backlinks like all day, all this information, but that's the three things I wanted to talk to you today about. Just kind of brief, straight to the point. I hope you found it informative. You can reach back out to me, through Facebook, or you can call or text me at 515 468-3039. Thanks. Have a good night.